for x, y given x given y. And do you know, similarly, the way I have this, you can also derive that of the, if I want to change this one to s given y, I'm just going to, switch. That's super cool. And that's all about that. Now, I quickly want to move to what I was doing yesterday. I walk you through how to do this yesterday, okay? And what I'm quickly going to walk you through now is how do we actually solve the problem right here, okay? The probability of S2 giving S2 greater than 1, okay, giving X1 equal to 2, okay? So how do we solve a problem like that? Okay, so I'm going to come here right now. The probability of S2 greater than 1, given that X1 equal to 2. Okay, now if I want to solve this, I need f of X2 given X1. Okay, I need f of S2 given X1. Okay, now I need you to be seeing something here. Your X1, your X1 here is like your X, and S2 is like a Y. So it's more or less that I need f of Y given S. So whenever you see X1, X2, call this one S, call this one Y, it's the same. Okay, now if I want to solve this guy right now, I need the conditioner. Okay, I actually need to come to use this, but they've given you what S equal to 2. So from this mu y plus sigma y rho x minus mu s over sigma x. Okay, and you know that you've been given a lot of stuff here. Okay, now I want to find the expected value of y given x equal to 2. Don't forget your x1 is 2. Okay, mu y here is mu 2. Okay, this is mu x, mu 1 is mu x, sigma 1 squared is sigma s squared, and this is mu y, and this is sigma y squared. Does that make sense now? Please take note. Now, what is my mu 2? My mu 2 is 0 plus what is sigma y? Okay, sigma y, sigma y here is sigma 2. So what is the square root of this? Square root of 4. That will be 2, right? So this is going to be 2. So what is your rho? Rho is half. Okay, and x is 2 minus what is mu 1? What is mu 1? Mu 1 is mu s. 1 divided by what is sigma 1? No, sigma s is sigma 1. Okay, what is square root of that? 1, right? Okay, what do I have here now? Okay, I got 1. So this is going to be 1. So expected value of y given s equal to 2 equal to 1. Okay, now you need the variance. What is the variance? The variance of y given s equal to 2, okay, sigma y squared. That will be sigma 2 squared. What is sigma 2 squared giving? 4. Okay, 4 into 1 minus half squared. Okay, so 4 into 1 minus 1 over 4. So 4 into 1 over 3. Oh, sorry. What is 1 minus 1 over 4? 3 over 4, right? And that is 3, right? The conditional mean is 1. This is that. Now, if I want to solve the problem now, I'm actually going to use. So if you take a look at, let's say, greater than 1. Okay, so the probability of x2 greater than 1 giving x1 equal to 2. Don't forget this is y, this is x. Okay, it's going to be, okay, I want to find, okay, 1. Okay, so if you take a look at what I have here, so it's like I'm actually need to first find, I need to get my z-score, okay, which is here y minus, okay, minus is going to be minus the mean here, minus the mean of y divided by the standard deviation, the variance of y given equal to this. This is just going to be y given s. Look at my z. Y given s equal to that. So y given s z equal to y given s minus the mean of that. Y given s, maybe I should write that as y given s equal to 2. Okay, y given s equal to 2 is a random variable minus its mean divided by the standard deviation. That's going to be my z. So right now, that is giving us, 1 here, okay, minus, what do you get for mean? 1 divided by square root of 3. This is going to be 0. Now, what I'm trying to say, this is going to be the same thing as that. Why am I having greater than? Because this is a greater than sign. So this is the same thing as 1 minus that. Okay? Or what I'm going to do is to go to z table to check when z equal to 0. I think that should be 0.5. So when you check from z table, so 1 minus 0.5, then you're going to get 0.5. Okay. Now, you'll be able to know how to do question 2 when we are done with what we're going to do next. Now, take a look at this. What if you're given this? And they want you to find expected value of x1, and so on like that. You know what you're going to do? You equate this to the formula, and you'll be able to solve. For instance, what am I trying to talk about? Okay, expected value. Let me write that of